morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are good. Children, welcome back to your online class 10. Children, in my previous video, I have taught about chapter number 3 HTML Basics, part 3. Today, we will continue this chapter HTML Basics, part 4. Children, today we will discuss the following topics. Creating list in a web page. Unordered list. Next is ordered list and definition list. Okay, children? Children, a list is simply a way of organizing text in the form of list of items. We can also create list in HTML. Okay? Children, HTML basically support three kinds of list: ordered list, unordered list and definition list. Okay, understood? Now children, first of all come to the unordered list. Children, unordered list, which is also called unnumbered list. It is a list containing of list items preceding by bullet marks. It is created to show a collection of related items that need not appear in any special order or sequence. Example, children, a list of shopping items. It is under the unordered list. A list of authors, a list of books, a list of movies. These all are under the unordered list. These can be shown in the form of an unordered list. Okay, children? Now, children, this is the syntax of unordered list. The syntax is tag ul space type. Type is the attribute. After the space, you have to write the attribute type disk. Disk within a quotes, then closing tag of ul. Children, the type attributes are of three types. Either you write disk or you write square. Okay, or you can write circle. Okay, children, these are three types of attributes: disk, square or circle. If you are writing type is equal to disk, then it will produce a solid round bullet. This one, like this. Okay. If you are writing the attribute type square, this one, then it will produce a square bullet like this. Okay, children? And if you are writing the attribute type circle, this one, within a quotes, then it will produce a hollow round bullet like this. Okay, this is the disk type, this is the square type and this is a circle type. Okay. Now children, this is the syntax. ul space, then write down the attribute type. Here I have written within a quotes, write down the attribute type disk. I have written here disk. Then after that li tag list item 1, means you have to write down the first item here, then again write down the tag li list item 2, second item you have to write, then again you have to write li list item 3, third item you have to write. Children, like this continuously you have to write in front of li. First you write li and then you write down the list item, and lastly you have to close the ul tag. This is the opening tag and this is a closing tag. Okay children, closing, and this is the opening. Okay children, UL means unordered list, and LI means list item. Okay children, LI means list item. Okay, and UL means unordered list. Okay, clear? Now children, this is the syntax of unordered list. Now children, look at the screen. This is the screen of the notepad window and browser window. The uppermost, it is a notepad window. This is the codings you have to write in a notepad. HTML head, title, write down the font, face font, etc. After that, within a body tag, you have to write down this one is the UL tag, unordered list. And at last, you have to write down the closing tag of UL. You have to write UL and then the list item. These are the list item. Okay children. The type attribute, if you are writing, mention the type attribute, then the bullet, square bullet or hollow bullet will come. If you are not writing anything, by default it will show this one disk, means bullets will come. Okay, here I have not written any type attribute, then this web page will come, this bullet will come. Okay, this is the web page and this is the notepad. This is the notepad and this is a web page. Okay children, clear? Now children, come to the ordered list. Children, ordered and ordered list, which is also known as numbered list. It is a sequential list where each list item is preceded by a number or a letter. The syntax of ordered list is OL. OL means ordered list. Again LI list, list item. The starting tag of OL tag is tag OL space, write down, again you have to write the attribute type. You have to write, after that within a quotes write down A. Children, you have to write, either you have to write capital A, this is the type attribute, or small a, or Roman number. Okay, this is the type attribute. If you are writing small a, then the list item will come in A, small b, small c. Like this will come in your web page. If you are writing type attribute capital A, then capital A, capital B, capital C will come in your web page. If you are writing type attribute this Roman number, then first, second, third will come in your web page. Okay children. Now children, this is the syntax of ordered list. OL space attribute type is equal to, within a quotes you have to write down the small a. I have written here small a. After that list item, LI means list item, list LI tag, then list item 1, LI tag list item 2, LI tag list item 3. Okay, and at last you have to close the OL tag ordered list. Understood children? Now children, look at the screen. You can see this is the notepad file and this is the web page. This is the notepad file. This is the coding you have to write in a notepad. OL tag. We have used OL tag, type is equal to A, small a. So in your web page, small a, small b, small c, small d will come continuously. And write down the items name. These are the items. And lastly you have to close the OL tag. Okay. This type of web page you can see. Okay, understood? Now children, come to the definition list. Children, the definition list is the ideal way to present a glossary list of items in HTML. A definition list starts with the DL tag. Each definition list term starts with the DT tag. Okay, the syntax of DL definition list is, first of all, the opening tag DL. Okay, then write down DT tag. DT tag is used to data term. DL means definition list. DD means definition data. Okay children, first of all the opening tag of DL, then DT, you have to write down your term here. After that DD, definition of your data. Again DT, you have to write the term in a DT tag and write down the definition of it in a DD tag. Understood? And at the last you have to close the DL tag. Okay children, understood? Now children, here is the coding you have to write in your notepad. HTML, then head, after that title tag, then closing tag of head, and then opening the body tag. Then enter the font face. I have written here Arial. Then definition list. We want this definition text in center and heading 1. And at last you have to close the heading tag and center tag. Then write closing tag of font. Okay. After that use the DL tag, definition list. Now we are writing the keyboard. So this is the term you have to write in DT tag. Okay. So keyboard under the DT tag, and after that DD tag it will show the definition of keyboard. Okay, again DT tag, write down the other term, DD tag, definition, again data, DT tag, CPU, this is the term, and again write down the DD tag. In a DD tag you have to write the definition of this CPU. Again DT tag, it is the term, monitor, and DD tag you have to write the definition of monitor, and at last you have to close the DL tag. Understood children? These are the codings you have to write in a notepad. After saving, you have to open your browser. Children, look at the screen. This is the web browser. Okay, this is the web page. That coding you have to write in a notepad, save it, and open your web browser. This type of web page you can see on your screen. This is the definition list. It is in the center and heading 1. Then this is the DT tag we have written in a notepad, keyboard, and DD tag we have written the definition. Again DT tag, mouse, then again definition of mouse. DT tag, keyboard, CPU, then definition of CPU. And again DT tag we have written in a monitor, and then again DD tag. In a DD tag you have to write down the definition of monitor. Okay children, this is the web page. Understood? Now children, I hope you all are understood about HTML basics. Children, I hope you all are doing your homework properly and studying well. Children, I am giving you some home assignment. Children, look at the screen. This is the homework. This is the web page. You have to make this web page. Create a web page by using appropriate HTML tag. Understood? Now children, we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.